Hello and welcome to Technopedia India. This is Rohan Narul and today I'm going to tell you what to expect for tonight's Apple event at 10:30 p.m. So let's get started. First, I would like to tell you that I'm very excited for this Apple event because the predictions of the products that are going to launch are absolutely mind-blowing. The products that are expected to launch are the 16-inch and the 14-inch Silicon MacBook Pros. Currently in the MacBook Pro lineup, there is the 13-inch and the 16-inch, which is most likely to be replaced. These 14-inch and the 16-inch are going to have the M1X or M2 chips. The M1X and M2 can be the same name for one chip also. A Mac Mini with a better chip is also expected, and by better I mean M1X or M2. Currently, the M1 chip has 4 high performance cores and 4 high efficiency cores, so it is expected that Apple will increase the number of cores in the M1X and or the M2 chip. Here are the predicted MacBook Pros. They seem to have slimmer bezels and also more Thunderbolt 3 ports. It is also expected that Apple will remove the touch bar because many people prefer the physical keys over the touch bar. I mean, the touch bar is great with all its functions and it makes many tasks faster. But the problem is it makes the simple tasks such as increasing the volume or increasing the brightness a longer process. As far as the ports are concerned, there is also predictions of the MagSafe port coming back. Don't confuse this with the MagSafe iPhone port. This is different. This is the MagSafe, which was replaced by USB-C in the MacBook. There are also predictions of a new MacBook Air launching, but that does not seem likely to me as MacBook Air got 2 upgrades last year. One was the M1 MacBook Air and one was the Intel MacBook Air. Rumors are that Apple will launch the long-awaited AirPods 3, but don't expect features such as noise cancellation and transparency mode because that's how Apple will differentiate between the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 3. Also, the AirPods 3 is not confirmed if they will have interchangeable buds like the AirPods Pro. Now it's time to tell you the things that most probably won't launch. We'll start with Apple Car, which has been expected for a long time. But I don't see that happening, although this might sound crazy, but there is a slight chance because the tweet by Greg Joswiak, Apple's head of marketing, kind of seems like a car speeding. Anyway, the Apple event is tonight at 10:30 p.m. But if you can't watch it, follow Technopedia India on Instagram because in the morning I will be posting a summary of what all was launched. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Catch you guys in the next one.